Hello guys, we are glamping in Blackstrap today. Follow me. We're gonna give you a tour of our tent. The name of the tent is Outdoor Natural Hike. Or whatever. Okay, restart.
It's okay.
This is the side of the tent. When you're going inside, you want to take off your shoes because we don't want any dirty mud tracks inside. And we have a big rock beside the plug. Over here, you could set like a stake. So like there's like a big blanket up here, and then a canopy, I guess. Here's the table. Here's the other side. Okay. Oh yeah.
Then we have to show the tent.
Yeah, how about we go up here? It's beeping like crazy. Up here is the nice, beautiful view. If you look down there, you will see a river. I mean, not a river, but a lake, which we are gonna go check out the beach later in the video.
We go 360.
Yes. Okay.
Let's show the tent.
Yeah, but let's show the inside of ours first.
Just the outside first.
Okay. So here is my auntie's place. Here is the kitchen over here. And then here's their tent. You can go to the front. Very nice. About the size of a trailer, almost. And they also have a water jug over there and a power cord. And I just hear, yes, it's pretty nice. Not as nice as ours. Beside the tent, which is very nice. Yes. You mean glamping? I love glamping because it's very nice and fun. You can roast. Oh, we're going inside. Open this. This is the inside. Here is the living room over here. It is very nice. We have a fan, a few plushies, and a light. We got 2 little ducklings that are also light. And we got 3 water bottles. This is included as a big water bottle. On that side, that's... Okay. Wait, we should move this. On this side... which you can open right here. If I can just get it to open. Like that. And the lights up there. Okay, I think we're ready to show the rooms now. These are the rooms, but we can't show you them because we have some private stuff in there. So we can't really show you. If we didn't have that private stuff in there, then I would show you.
Show them the garbage.
I'm gonna show them a garbage can. You're probably thinking this is a water barrel, but it's actually a garbage can. Yes. Oh, hi guys. What are you doing here? You came here to do a campfire? Oh, follow me. I've got that exact thing. Okay, so over here we have been roasting our marshmallows for quite a bit. We have the crackers and the chocolate over here. We are very, very excited to do this. And those two men over there, we're gonna introduce, you're gonna tell them what their names are. Yay! What's your name?
Slim Shady.
No, it's not. It's Harris Kulik. What's your name?
P. Diddy.
It's Colton Shulks.
Socks?
Shulks.
What's up?
Ah, the fire's nice and warm.
So who's this?
What's your name?
Nanay.
Nice to meet you, Nanai. Why did you choose to go here?
I want to relax. And
Yeah. Can I have it? Okay. I know. Okay, so I'm gonna be roasting some marshmallows. I put this right here.
You don't need to talk.
Okay. Okay. Come on, marshmallows, get in there.
Oh, there's another one here. Oh, here.
If we got 3, that'd be useful. Now I'm gonna roast them over the fire.
Like a fit. Yeah. Like a death trap when you're at night. Hey, just like face first. Right.
It looks like a circle. Isn't that cool? Oh, dancing, dancing. Dancing, 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 dancing. He looks like a pig.
Gusto na?